what we'll try to do?
No!
Try and put water in there now.
No! No!
Okay.
It's not ready.
Okay, what are you making?
Sand water. Sand water.
Right.
I reckon the biggest one. We're going to be a waterfall. Okay. So we didn't start it yet. We'll start it. We're going to be a parking.
Oh, you're making the parking?
No. We're going to down sand from water.
Alright, okay.
For a car street.
Do you like building?
Yeah,
That's
what I like to building.
Yeah.
That's the way for the water. What?
Mhm. But where are you going to pour the water?
From the beginning.
Needs to be this way, yeah?
Look, it needs to be this way, yeah? Right, which way do you want me to
Or is
pour
it not ready yet?
Is it not ready? It's not ready.
Okay.
To a bit more by it.
Okay, that's fine.
It's a rock by it.
Okay.
Me to make all of it. It's ready.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Right.
go!
Right, before that, where do you want me to put it?
Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
I'll do it this way now. Well, first. Can't see.
1, 2, 3, go!
Right, wait there.
That's one.
That's one tiny one.
Yeah, I know. And it's going everywhere, pretty much.
So,
I'll do a bit more now.
and do it over here too. Quick!
In a minute.
Don't
I'll have
worry.
it when on this side then.
I will have it, okay?
Okay.
I'll have it now.
Wait there.
I'm going to take it, okay?
Wait there. Because I'll need to put water in there now. Where are you going to get the water from? Here? One, 2, 3.
Watch out on the walls. Just in case. Right, where are you putting it?
I better stand up. Nice.
Doing it on my way.
That just went everywhere.
Cool. That's
Oh well.
Don't worry, I will fix it.
A little Bob the Builder, yeah?
And we go through here. This blocked. Aha! We need some rocks.
Where are you?
Sounds like it now here. So get it like this.
Oh, God.